Hello, everyone. This is Claudia McGilkey out here with eXp Realty, and I'm out in Milton at a model home for holiday builders out in Cadence Place. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, and it is about 2,500 square feet, and it is listed for $422,000. It has all brick and has some hardy board accents. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's got a gorgeous front rocking chair porch area, seating area. Let's go inside and see what all they did. Okay, so as we come in the door, this is your study area and could be considered a 5th bedroom. They'll put in a closet. And then it would come out right here, your door would. And then this is another full bath. This is going to have granite throughout. This one has quartz. And then another bedroom. And then when we walk into this room, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Now, I love the detail work that they did here. It's like a little extra and everything else. It sure does make it look nice. Check this out. Oh, I love it. Okay, so you come in here. Now, if you didn't want to use this as a formal dining room, you could easily go ahead and turn this into a game room or a pool table room or an extra sitting area. And then here is your family room. Large kitchen, eat-in area. It's got a huge pantry. Microwave, stainless steel appliances. I'm going to take you into the master. Quite large master, box ceiling, all recessed lighting throughout. Beautiful. Just to let you know, the new colors that they are using now in the bedrooms is blush, and in the rest of the rooms are sage. That is the new colors for 2000, that is upcoming for 2023. Alrighty then, so look at this. Huge shower, rain heads, walk-in tile. Beautiful. And then you come in, very large master closet. Oh, I'm sorry, primary closet. Again, this is the primary room. All right, let us go around here because there is 2 more bedrooms on this side. So like I said, you can have this as a 5-bedroom or a 4-bedroom with a study. Look at these rooms. So you'll have another bathroom here, which is nice, and another large room, and then another large room here. And then laundry room with cabinets above, which I absolutely love. And so let's just go ahead and go real quick and take a look outside so you can see this gorgeous outdoor dining area. Half-acre lots in this subdivision. Actually goes past that area over there, past the woods. And then this is your covered porch. Beautiful covered porch area. Perfect for dining, barbecue, family gathers. All right, Claudia McGilkey, eXp Realty. Come on out. Come see Cadence Place and ask for Melody. Melody will hook you up and show you all the places that they have for sale out here. We've got some incentives. I'll go ahead and give you a free security system when you purchase the house. And just mention my name and have me come out here with you, and we'll get you all set up and get you all the bonuses. Again, Claudia McGilkey, 850-485-0353. My website is newhomesalespensacola.com. Register online to get all the wonderful updated listings and what's hot on the market. And if you want to talk to me about financing, I have everything available. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.